details and the timing you need to know coming up.
Has been a day to watch the skies. Thankfully, meteorologist Jennifer Lambers joins us with a look at the weather. Jen, for now, we are clearing out, but the key word is for now.
That's exactly right. For now, it seems that it's just been counties looking fantastic. Most of Mobile, Baldwin County is looking nice at this time. I say most just because we're still starting to see some of that linger just closer towards Dauphin Island. But Gulf Shore is looking nice at this time, along with Orange Beach and the Eastern Shore. Pensacola, major improvements. I know that you really saw some of those rain continuous just last night, but we're only continuing to see a lot of that push out further towards the east. So you're just really about in the next 10 minutes, all of that will continue to push further east. Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, all that heavy rain is moving out. Just some light rain left over, and you're most likely still hearing some of that thunder and that lightning. Now, over the past 24 hours, rainfall totals, they have been high. Really, that light blue, that light green coloration, about 1 inch to 2 inches. But last night, we had a stationary front push in, and it just sat over central Baldwin counties, down towards the Escambia counties in Florida, so Pensacola, NAS, Gulf Breeze. You saw all of that. Robertsdale, close to 11 inches of rainfall. And then the Florida Panhandle, really in those portions where we saw all of those flash flood emergencies, 17 to 18 inches. Now, as we do make our way into the rest of today, we're keeping a close eye on your forecast. Also, I did want to go ahead and update you on traffic conditions really quickly. I-65 southbound has reopened, but in case you're heading out anytime soon, major delays on I-10 westbound just near that Loxley exit. Again, we're going to continue to work to keep you updated heading into the rest of today. Rain chances back in the forecast this afternoon and this evening. I'll have a full detailed look at your futurecast coming up soon. Chelsea. Yeah, keeping a close eye on the conditions out there. Luckily, things are trying to push.
Continue for parts of the country today and into the weekend. Coming up, a look at some of the damage caused by a tornado in the community of Texas. But first, let's get a closer look at our weather. Jen?
Yeah, keeping a close eye on the conditions out there. Luckily, things are trying to push.
Where I should say 3 years and a pause of those. Experts are worried this could negatively impact the economy. We will have both sides next. Jen?
And also keeping a close eye on your forecast, taking a live view outside right now. Downtown Mobile, conditions looking a lot better. Temperatures right now mid-70s. Those dew points have already jumped up quite a few degrees. Only expect Buxton viewing area. Now begins our lull in activity until things ramp up once again heading later on into today. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms possible before then, but really the best timing coming in later tonight. Things look a lot better southern Mobile, Baldwin counties, and along with the Florida Panhandle, Crestview, Destin, you're still starting to see some of that light rain, but you'll see improvements not too long from now. Over the past 24 hours, inland spots, rainfall amounts really just that 1 to 3 inch range. But central Baldwin counties, Escambia County in Florida, you saw the bulk of that rain last night. The situation, it just stalled out and it just poured over a foot of rainfall in these areas. I know it's constantly storming at my house on the Eastern Shore last night. We received over 10 inches of rainfall in Robertsdale, and then just closer towards downtown Pensacola, NAS, Gulf Breeze, 17 to 18. But even then, this is radar estimated. Rainfall amounts could have been much higher than that. Now, heading into today, we still have the potential for some of those strong to severe storms. Heading into tomorrow, there's going to be that slight risk zone, 2 out of 5. I had these a little backwards. So this is heading into tomorrow for your Saturday. Gusty straight line winds and some hail possible. Today, however, there we go, 2 out of 5 risk zone. The entire Foxton viewing area, same situation. This evening, tonight, even heading closer towards midnight, gusty straight line winds, heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and some hail will once again be possible. Now, I am continuing to keep you updated on your traffic conditions as well. A lot going on out there. Also, just want to update you in case you are heading out anytime soon. I-10 westbound still very, very delayed as we get closer towards Loxley. Our Lee Peck said that he was in traffic for about 2 hours just due to this major accident there. Once you get closer towards Malbus, things look a lot better. But you might want to go ahead, give someone a heads up, detour out of that area. Taking a look at your futurecast, timing things out. That lull is here to stay. Again, mainly just an isolated chance for more showers and thunderstorms. Could impact the already flooding situations just closer towards central Baldwin and Pensacola. Heading into tonight, we'll start to see more of these showers and thunderstorms begin to push in. 5, 6 o'clock, things begin to ramp up. Heading later on into this evening, another round comes into play later on tonight. We get closer towards 10 and 11, seeing more of those begin to push in, and that timing finally begins to subside closer towards 1 a.m. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, your futurecast heading into tomorrow, and your 7-day outlook. All that's coming up soon.
You've got two mamas over here who have been through birthing a child, and we are like both emotional.
Teary-eyed.
Man,
what a great story.
What a beautiful story, and that's just what we needed this morning, especially after all those storms and in preparation for more storms this afternoon.
That's exactly right. We're going to work to keep you updated the afternoon clock, and then closer towards 8, 9, and even lasting into the overnight hours. I know another overnight round, 11 midnight, 1 a.m., and then heading into tomorrow, expecting more showers and thunderstorms for your Saturday. I know around lunchtime and early afternoon.
Be careful, you guys. Jen, thanks for keeping us updated today. Our team will keep you updated.